I have tested what feels like a dozen foundations, but I've never found my exact shade. So today we're going to be trying the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in the shade 6W1 to see if it's perfect for me. Let's begin by testing it on these dark spots that I have. And guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Like you can see like the dark marks on my cheeks are gone. Like this foundation blends into my skin so well. Can you see the match? I'm already obsessed with this foundation, to be honest. So let's see, let's compare between this side that has the foundation and this other side that doesn't. Just look at that difference. Wow. So let's apply it all over my face and we can see the difference. I'm so excited and in love with this foundation, and you know we have to try it on my chest because I have the acne and acne scars around my chest. So let's see if it covers them all. Wow, just look at my skin. Just see how the foundation blends into my skin so well. I'm obsessed. And guess what? One thing that I love about Estee Lauder is that in their website page, they have this feature where you can go and search for your foundation and you can try on your shade virtually so that you can find your perfect match. They are amazing for adding this feature because it makes it so easy for you. I'm so excited that I finally found the perfect foundation for me, and honestly, I hit the jackpot with this one.